Alif for Asad means lion.
Wow! Wow!
Ba for Baqarah means cow.
Wow! Wow!
Ta for Tufaha means apple.
Wow! Wow!
Sa for Tha'lab means fox.
Wow! Wow!
Jim for Jamal means camel.
Wow! Wow!
Ha for Hoot means whale.
Wow! Wow!
Kha for Kharoof means sheep.
Wow! Wow!
Dal for Deek means rooster.
Wow! Wow!
Za for Zeeb means wolf.
Wow! Wow!
Ra for Rumman means pomegranate.
Wow! Wow!
Za for Zarafa means giraffe.
Wow! Wow!
Sin for Samaka means fish.
Wow! Wow!
Sheen for Shams means sun.
Wow! Wow!
Sod for Sarukh means rocket.
Wow! Wow!
Dot for Difda means frog.
Wow! Wow!
Ta for Toira means aeroplane.
Wow! Wow!
Za for Zarf means envelope.
Wow! Wow!
Ain for Ainab means grapes.
Wow! Wow!
Ghain for Ghassala means washing machine.
Wow! Wow!
Fa for Feel means elephant.
Wow! Wow!
Qaf for Qalam means pen.
Wow! Wow!
Kaf for Kitab means book.
Wow! Wow!
Lam for Lemon means lemon.
Wow! Wow!
Mim for Masjid means mosque.
Wow! Wow!
Noon for Nahl means bee.
Wow! Wow!
Ha for Hudhud means hoopoe.
Wow! Wow!
Waw for Walad means boy.
Wow! Wow!
Ya for Yed means hand.